Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we're going to do a quick video for you on putting the pedestal together for the Sony A8F new OLED TV for 2018. And to start things off, there's going to be a few different parts involved. You got these two little brackets, you got the base, and then you've got a package of screws here. And on these brackets, you're going to see a couple of arrows, one that indicates which direction it needs to face, so you want the long end pointing up, and then another on the inside that's going to have two arrows, and those arrows each point to which hole the screw is going to go through. So make sure you pay attention to that. You really can't do it the wrong way, but just make sure you pay attention to that when you're assembling it. So basically all you're going to do is set those down, and they each take two screws. So just drop that in. Make sure you have a screwdriver that has a longer neck on it. That'll make it a little easier for you. And those just seat right down into place there, and just make sure you tighten them up good. And then from here, the TV is just gonna go, you're gonna lift it up out of the box and set it down onto the pedestal. We've got it facing the wrong way here towards the camera when you have it, the TV on it. The TV's gonna go here. This is gonna be the front of the pedestal. We just wanted to show how everything's screwed in. But it's also important to remember to leave the TV in the box while you're doing this part. You do wanna do this before you take the TV fully out of the cardboard, because you basically just lift it up and set it on here. So as always, thanks for watching, and leave any comments that you have below, and we appreciate you guys checking out our video.